Hello my flourishing friends! Yeah, another video for you. How lucky are you? Today we're gonna do something a bit out of my comfort zone, just a teeny tiny bit, because purple is actually not my color at all. But today I felt a bit like, let's do something with purple. Don't actually know where to start today. What we're gonna do, we're gonna craft on this little card. I have it pre-cut still from a kit that I got a few weeks ago. I think you recognize the paper quality maybe. But there were so many cool pre-cut cards, and yeah, so I'm gonna use them for sure. And I have this purple card that says hello. Hello, hello. Hello to everybody new to the channel. Hi. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you. Okay, let's continue. This card is gonna be harvested today. I'm not gonna actually use it as a card. I'm just gonna use it for the paper. I'm sorry, we're gonna murder that card today because the stars of today are gonna be cupcakes. Ta-da! Who doesn't love cupcakes? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna actually write a little funny thing on top again, like we did in previous videos. And today's card is gonna say, all you need is love, or cupcakes, almost the same. I read it at a cafe, they had it drawn to the wall, and immediately thought, okay, I'm gonna make a card. Went to my archive of stickers again and found the 2 cupcakes, which had a lot of purple in them too, so yeah, the card basically created itself. Let's dive in. I don't know where to begin, but yeah. I'm really motivated today. Yeah, it's so nice weather. It's really cold lately, but it's blue sky and sunshine, and yeah, actually not a day to be inside. My crafter heart needs to craft today, so yeah, it's like an addiction. Let's go. I'm gonna do it like I did in some other videos. Okay, first of all, we're gonna cute this card up because I don't want it to be straight. I have here this cute corner cutter, and I'm gonna cut some corners. Cut some corners. Lisa, English. Okay, let's go. Anyways, we're gonna cut it. Okay, I might have messed up a bit here. Because I wanted to cut only the first side. I pushed too hard, but we're gonna cover it up, don't you worry. Not the first time that I saved a project, didn't I? Well, this looks already nice, but I have here the making square corners round cutter, and I'm gonna use it on the whole card this time. Okay, so that's what we have now. Lately, I really enjoy the idea of round corners on the card. Let's washi it up a bit. I have here some pink glittery washi. You saw that in a previous video as well. I think it was the shower the people you love with love video. Yeah. And I have 2 others. I'm gonna use the purple one. So nice to have good weather today. Awesome. Awesome sauce. So that's what we have right now. I might need to cut this again. And now I'm gonna do the same procedure as always. Take a pen. Yeah, just write what I wanted to say. What I want to say. Yeah, English is definitely not a thing for me today. So maybe I just gonna shut up for now, do it, and then come back to you. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I wrote it down. I actually think I'm gonna adjust it here and there. So it says, all you need is love, or cupcakes, almost the same. Almost the same I wrote on purpose, a bit smaller. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is, all you need is, or almost the same. I'm gonna write that in black. And the love and cupcakes, I'm gonna take a silver metallic looking pen, just to make it pop out a bit, and because I'm really into that lately. Into those metallic pens, I don't know why, but yeah, there I go. Just gonna use a fine liner for the black part, silver metallic pen. Don't forget to shake it. There we are. I love it already. So let's take that cupcake and slap it on the top. There we go. Now you have some space here. And what I want to do with that is take a silver Sharpie and draw some hearts and dots. Also here and there on the card. Okie dokie. Really like it. I'm gonna flip it over now. So first of all, we're gonna cover up what I messed up here. I'm gonna use this glorious cupcake for that. Looks delicious. And I'm gonna draw a little frame inside. So this is where your message goes. And then we're gonna take the card we're gonna harvest now. And I have a heart cutter here. I'm gonna cut out some hearts. Okay, and what we're gonna do is draw those little hearts and dots on the inside as well. Yeah, so there we have another nice card. A little speed crafting. Really was fast and easy. Let's see inside again. Yeah, I really like how it turned out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some nice inspirations. And let me know what you think down in the comments. And I wish you a really nice day. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.